Splash, splash, splash. Yeah, I think I'm getting a lot of rain today. So I'm gonna do something with it too. And you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. Alright, I'm gonna gather some of this rainwater here to use. It's fairly clear right now, and clearly you can almost see the bottom, and you can see the rain. And I gotta wipe my screen. And I'm gonna use this right now. Hat. Brush. Did I mention the water's really cold because it's rainwater? At like 50 Fahrenheit, 10 Celsius, or less. Woo, that's cold water. Yay, my hat's clean now. Especially once it's dried. I can wear it again. And like always, everyone.
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.